Hello, my lovely. This is the first video of this series, so I would like to give you the basics of this course. The basic idea of this whole course is to explain what is countable and uncountable. Well, this is counting 1, 2, 3, 4. I am counting these oranges and I can count these oranges. So orange as a fruit is countable. But what if I say water? Do I mean a glass of water, or a jug of water, or a bathtub of water? Look, the word water is uncountable. I needed something like a glass, a jug, a bathtub to tell you exactly how much water I needed. Okay, forget the blah blah. Let's look at real life. I need chocolate. Well, how much chocolate do you need? A piece of chocolate? A bar of chocolate? A pile of chocolate? Did you see, when she asked for chocolate, I didn't know how much chocolate she needed. Again, such as with the water earlier, I needed other words to make it clear, like a piece of chocolate, a bar of chocolate, a pile of chocolate. So chocolate is uncountable. Okay, next one. Give me 5 horses. I will give you 1. They can count horses. Horses are countable. 1 horse, 2 horses, 3 horses. Okay. Let's see. Ingredients. 2 eggs, 200 milliliters water, sugar. Sugar. How much sugar? A tablespoon? A teaspoon? 100 grams? Half a cup? How much? Look, you can't just say sugar because I will not know how much sugar you are thinking of. Sugar is uncountable. You can't just say 1 sugar because I still do not know how much 1 sugar is. 1 particle of sugar. I need time. How much time do you need? A week? A month, maybe? Time is uncountable. If you say, I need time, no one will know how much time you need exactly. But look at this. I have 3 watches on my wrist. 1 watch, 2 watches, 3 watches. Watches are countable. I can count them. Okay. And the last one for today.
I want money.
How much money do you want? I have $5, 4 euros and 2 pounds. Well, if you just say money, it's uncountable. Give me 1 money. Give me 2 monies. I can give you 1 pound, $2, 5 euros. Okay. So if you are ever in trouble and you can't decide if a word is countable or uncountable, the magical thing to do is to start counting, like orange. 1 orange, 2 oranges. And if it works and you can actually visualize them, then it's okay. It's a countable word. A noun is countable if you can count it. 1 orange, 2 oranges. A noun is uncountable if you cannot count it. 1 water, 2 waters are incorrect. The countable plural nouns are easy to separate. I can separate 2 oranges, 1 orange and another one. The uncountable singular nouns aren't easily separated into elements. Can you easily separate water or love into elements? So countable nouns are, for example, watch, horse, book, glass. And uncountable nouns are, for example, time, water, sugar, gold, love, and so on. Yay! Well done! You're over the most difficult part of this course. Don't forget the tests. Thank Thanks for watching and see you with the next episode.